Oh, hey guys, Rock here, Island Pond, Vermont. It is March 17th today, Thursday, 2022. It is definitely springtime weather, so I'm taking the old Yamaha Moto 200 out. We'll see how she goes in the snow. All right, fire the old girl up. Didn't take much to get this thing running this year. Maybe 5-6 poles, sitting all winter. It's a fun little machine. I don't know how well she's gonna do in the snow here, but that no rear suspension is a little hard on her. A little hard on me, I mean. Gotta be about 40 today. Might be a little more than that. We're definitely losing some snow. Snowmobile trails aren't going to be open too long, so yeah, the 200 could use a little bit more power, but still able to make it through that stuff. Fun little machine that very good on fuel too. I'm actually surprised how good this thing is going. Just for the knobby Dunlop tires on it. My back is gonna feel it after this ride. Does have a suspension on the front, but not a lot, and nothing on the rear. Ouch. Let's see. Running out of power. I doubt it, but we'll try it. Wow. Man. Got a little more momentum. It probably would have made it, but no reverse. Gotta turn her around like that. And she stalled. Hit the kill switch. Yeah, if you get the momentum, she'll go. But oh, still a little deep for it. Whew. Still cleaning out the old gas from last year. Oh man, a little bit of rougher ride. Almost lost it on that corner. Oh shit. Okay. No brakes on this thing, so just gotta use the gear end to slow her down. Oh. Try it through here. Whoa, no. No go. Not quite enough power to hit third gear out here. Bogs right down. Anyways, get a little ride out of her. Whew. I'm gonna pull that thing out some more this year. Fun little toy. But anyways, thanks for watching and hope you enjoyed the video. It's my 83 Yamaha Tri-Moto 200. A little bit of suspension in the front. As you can see, solid rear end. She's a little bouncy. Alright, have a good one.